Good morning student. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about how to solve the word problem. Okay, so let's see. So word problem. Let us learn how to solve word problems with the help of examples. So this is our first example. In a given year, the population of Bahamas was 2,76,000. The population of Barbados was 2,64,000 and that of Seattle was 72,000. What was the population of the three countries taken together in that year? Okay, so see that population of Bahamas was given this. So at first you write like this way. Population of Bahamas is this 2,76,000. After that you write that Barbados, this is the another country. So you write down that the population of Barbados 2,64,000 and the population of Seattle so 72,000. So now the population of the three countries, because he is asking about that, your question is what was the population of the three countries taken together in that year. So this is our question. Okay, so you write down that population of the three countries taken together in that year was, one by one you write down how much the population of that each country. So first one is the Bahamas. You write down the population of the Bahamas. So I told you before this video, in my previous video, always you write in place value chart. So I made a place value chart here. So 2 lakhs, so you write 2 in lakhs place, 7 is in 10,000 place, 6 is in 1000 place and 0 is 100. Another 0 is in 10 place and 0 because this value is in 2,76,000. So another population is the Barbados is 2,64,000 and the third one is the Seattle is 72,000. Then you, because you asking about taken together, so together, so you understand this, the together means actually here that addition, so add it. So here we do add of those population. So now you start that addition as well as that before it we will start that addition as from that one place. So what is the values in one place? Each places the value of three countries population is in one place is 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Again you see this tens place, that again 0, so you put 0, and 100 place also it is 0. Now you see this 1000 place. What is the number is in 1000 place? So 6 plus 4 means 10, 10 plus 2 means 12. So you write here 2, but one carry will add to the next place. That carry will go to the next place means 10,000 place. So here you see that 7 plus 1, so 8, 8 plus 6 means 14, 14 plus 7 is 21. So 21 you write 1 here and 2 carry will add with the lakhs place. So in lakhs place you see that 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So this way you do that addition. I think all of you know how to do that addition. So the population of the three countries taken together in that year was 6,12,000. So this is the answer. So when you write the answer, you write like this way. Okay, next let's see the next example. The total number of flowers in garden A is 6 lakh. The total number of flowers in garden B is 3,62,000, less than the number of flowers in garden A. So garden A, the number of flowers is 6 lakh, but in garden B, so little bit tricks is here. So B is 3,62,000 less than the number of flowers in garden A. So garden A total number of flowers we know. In garden B, we don't know what is the exact amount of the flowers, but in question you that given the information is 3,62,000 less than the flower of the garden A. So we have to find out how many flowers are there in garden B. So this is our question. So you write like this way: flowers in garden A equals to 6 lakh, flowers in garden B equals to 3,62,000 less than the number of flowers in garden A. So if we 3,62,000 flowers to be subtracted from 6 lakh, then we will get the number of flowers in garden B. Okay. So see here, the flowers in garden B equals to, you write the number in place value chart. So I wrote here, so 6 lakh and 3,62,000. So now you start the subtraction from the ones place. Let's see what is the number is in one place. Both cases, garden first case, you see that first the number in ones place is 0, and in second numbers the ones place number digit is 0, so we will get 0. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So up to 1 to 100, each places the 0 we will put 0, because that no number is there, so only that 0 will be there. So that's why 0 minus 0 we will get, we know that we will get 0. So now you see this number in, what is the number is in 10,000 place. So in 1000 place, you see that this number is 0 and this number is 2. So we cannot subtract the larger number from a smaller number. So we will do this subtraction by applying a carry, by applying a borrowing. Okay. So because it is subtraction case, so we cannot use that word carry. Carry is used in addition. So here we will use that borrow, without borrow and with borrow. So here we will apply the method of borrowing. So we will borrow 10,000 from 10,000 place. So we will get 10,000 here. So 10,000 minus 2 equals to 8. Now you see here, so already here this number is 0. So we will, if we get borrow from the lakhs place, so 10,000 number will be there, but 10,000 already we borrowed from 10,000 place. So 10 minus 1, so means 9 10,000. So here 9 10,000 is remaining. So 9 minus 6 3, because here actually that we will subtract smaller number from a larger number, so it is easy. So 9 minus 6 equals to 3. But here you see that 1 lakhs already we have borrowed. So this is it. Now it is no longer is 6. Now it is 6 minus 1, so means 5. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So this way we have to solve those problems. So the number of flowers in garden B is 2,38,000. Now see the next number 3 example. China has an area of 95 lakhs 72,900 square kilometer approx. See, so China has an area of 95 lakhs 72,900 square kilometer approx, and India is spread over 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometer approx. What is the area of the two countries taken together? Okay. So at first you write down the area of China equals to 95 lakh 72,900 square kilometer, and the area of India is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. Area of the two countries taken together. So how much? So taken together, so means we have to do the addition. So you write the numbers is in place value chart and you start that addition. Then when you after doing the addition, you will get result, and you write the result like this way. The area of India and China taken together is 1 crore 28 lakh 60,163 square kilometer approx. This is the answer. Okay, so let's see the next example. When the planets Mercury and Venus are in line on the same side of the Sun. Mercury is 5 crore 80 lakhs kilometer from the Sun, whereas Venus is 10 crore 80 lakhs kilometer from the Sun. What is the distance between Mercury and Venus? So see, I drew a one diagram. So here is Sun, here is Mercury, and here is Venus. So Sun to Mercury distance is given, Sun to Venus distance is given. So we have to find out how much distance in between Mercury and Venus. So these unknown things we have to find out. So you write the distance of Venus from the Sun, you write, and then distance of Mercury from the Sun, that distance also you write. Then you start subtraction. So you subtract this number from this number. So you write the numbers in place value chart and start subtraction. After getting the result, you write the result like this way. The distance between Mercury and Venus is 5 crore kilometer. Okay. So next example, you see the population of the USA is USA is 30 crore 11 lakhs 39,947, whereas the population of Mexico is 10 crore 87 lakh 891, and that of Canada is 3 crore 33 lakh 90,141. By how much is the population of the USA greater than the population of Canada and Mexico taken together? So at first you write down the Mexico population and then Canada's population. Then after find out the how much that total population in Mexico as well as Canada. So both total population of Mexico and Canada is, you do that addition and will get total number of population of Mexico and Canada. After that, you see, we have to find out how much is the population of the USA greater than the population of Canada and Mexico taken together. For this, we have to subtract this value from this. So this value is after doing the addition, we will get this result. So this is the total number of population of Mexico and Canada, and this is the population of USA. So you have to subtract this number from this. So after you write the numbers is in place value chart, and after subtraction you will get the result. The population of the USA is greater by 15 crore 90 lakh 48,915. Okay. So okay, let's see that next example. A flower is sold 56,386 roses, 16,412 tulips, and 22,170 lilies in a year. How many flowers did the florist sell in all in that year? The number of roses sold 56,386, the number of tulips sold 16,412, and the number of lilies sold 22,170. So the total number of flowers sold, you have to write those numbers is in place value chart. After putting the numbers is in place value chart, you start doing the addition. Then you will get the result. So after you get the result, you have to write the answer like this way. The florist sold 94,915 flowers in all in that year. So this is the answer. So like this way you have to solve those word problem. Okay. So this is the first video of my word problem. Next in my video again I will discuss some more word problem. Okay. Thank you student.